Hi there, this is me Vishal and welcome to another episode. In this episode, we are going to look at the company called Spotify. So, what is Spotify? Well, Spotify is a non-free Swedish audio provider and media service company. It was founded in April 2006, but as of 2022, Spotify has more than 400 million monthly active users. Moreover, this Swedish company controls more than 36% of global streaming industry. Here are some recent stats of Spotify. Spotify released its fourth quarter results reporting a year-over-year revenue increase of 24% and a more than 20 million increase in monthly active users compared to quarter 3. The audio platform reported fourth quarter revenue of more than $3 billion and more than 406 million active users. It also includes more than 180 million paying subscribers. So the question is, how Spotify was able to accomplish such an amazing feat in just over 1.5 decades? Well, let's get started. So let us try to answer those questions in 4 points. Number one reason for that is the innovation in advertising structures. By continually innovating its advertising structure and creating personalized marketing campaigns, the company has seen rapid growth in just a short amount of time. The second reason for that is its revenue model. Spotify has a freemium model, with most of its users streaming music to their mobile phones or desktop computers via application or web browsers. Freemium model includes free users and paid subscribers. Free users receive ads between songs, which are part of Spotify revenue model, and the paid subscribers pay a premium fee in order to listen to the music ad-free. Third reason for that is the Spotify's marketing campaigns. Well, music for sharing, and Spotify often highlights this in its marketing campaigns. By making the streaming service have a great purpose in connecting people through music, the brand gains interest and appreciation from its users. Hence, it increases its fan base and more people get to know about Spotify. The interesting fact about Spotify's marketing campaign is that in their original release campaign, Spotify asked new users to provide their email to the company to be invited as the service's users. It created quite a viral effect for the app, with users having only 5 invitations to share with their friends. And the fourth and the last reason for that is Spotify continuously collaborate with different artists to get their exclusive content. Again, this is not an unfamiliar technique or even innovative to most marketers. However, it is the quality of Spotify's content and seamless integration into the platform that set it apart from other competitors. Well, what do you think about this company? Or if you like to add something, you can tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video.